Hello, everyone. This is Nizito from Nizito's Art. Long time no see. Um, Back again, and like I promised, I'm gonna show you how to draw characters, famous characters, movie characters, sports characters, and cartoon style. Right now, my reference is gonna be Tony Montana or Al Pacino playing Tony Montana. When it comes to drawing cartoon characters or drawing a human being or celebrity in a cartoon fashion, is that you want to get the likeness of the character, make exaggerations, and mostly try to make like sharp edges. Uh, don't round off the edges or the roundness of the face or the body type. If that makes any sense. Like right now, I'm trying to chin, and his chin, I'm making a little bit more pointier than it usually is. When it comes to the eyes, you want to try to follow the way his eyes or the way that your reference eyes looks, but not exactly, because we are gonna uh, basically cartoonify it. If that's if that's not even a word, but yeah, you're gonna cartoonify it, and basically, when you try making a cartoon reference of a character, you want to get the likeness of the character, but you want to make sure he looks like a cartoon character, like something you will see like on a Saturday morning cartoon, for example, or a animated action movie, or even a Pixar movie. You don't want to go for a caricature, um, because a caricature is basically, the way I see it, is a character. Basically, it's an exaggeration of features of a character, where they look like maybe the nose is a bit bigger, the chin's a bit bigger, depending on the character you're drawing. Like for example, Arnold Schwarzenegger, he has a very pronounced chin. So when you make a caricature of him, a lot of people make like a very pronounced chin, or they'll focus on on the little gap between his teeth. It's like an old exaggeration. It's comedic, but it's more like stylized type of type of art. While when you're drawing like a likeness of a cartoon character, or a celebrity, or character like a cartoon character, you gotta basically imagine them in a world in a cartoon setting, like The Simpsons, South Park. You're gonna draw them in a particular style where um, you can tell it's them, but there's several liberties that are taken um, when it comes to cartooning. When you're doing a caricature, it's more of a over exaggeration of features of said character. It's basically, think of a caricature like the uncanny valley between a cartoon character cartooning and realistic portraits or realistic drawings. Um, so I will recommend, if you want to get into cartooning or drawing characters in cartoon style, not caricatures but cartoon style. Watch a lot of cartoons, of course, as reference, and watch cartoon artists, and to get a bit of field. Now, at least for me, when it comes to drawing character in cartoon, I just let my imagination go wild. That's what I recommend doing. Also, don't uh, think that you have to be accurate, because when it comes to cartooning and character, we don't go for accurate, being accurate when it comes to the body proportions. Uh, the more you over exaggerate, the better. Um, for example, the neck, I'm giving him a skinny neck. Look at his eyebrows. Eyebrows are arched, because Al Pacino tends to have a arched eyebrow. So you basically, you're gonna get the subtle facial expressions on the character, and you're gonna try to over exaggerate them. Now, forgive me, I am using a dry erase board and a dry erase marker. Fortunately, dry erase markers, the more and more you erase, the harder it is to rewrite or draw on the board again. Um, so you'll see me struggling a little bit here, but I'm gonna see if there's a hack out there where stuff like that can be avoided. Uh, but part of my channel is the lore of my channel is that I would like doing everything in real time, and if I make mistakes, I make mistakes. Because it's a channel about learning and growing, and as you grow, I'm going to grow too, and get even better with my art. So I call this particular art session draw tunes. Let me know if you agree with that title. If not, give me a suggestion what else I can call it. But for right now, I'm calling it draw tunes. And the reason I use the dry erase markers because I can well, at least I try to erase the mistakes here with a clean sheet of tissue, or I use my finger to erase something and make any mistakes. See the reference. I'm trying to get the reference as best as I can, and at the same time taking several liberties with style. And I was having a little bit of I won't say difficulty, but a little bit of a roadblock with the suit, because a lot of people, at least myself, I can get the face just right in cartoon style, but somehow I kind of try to get the body to look be like 1-to-1 with the actual portrait, and I got to get my mindset out of that, because it's not about being 1-to-1 with the actual portrait. It's taking liberties and over exaggerating and making it look like it's a character in a cartoon setting. And so remember that, when you look at the proportions, you want to take your liberties. I mean, you can keep the same style, or the same pose, but take separate liberties to make him look like he's in an actual animated movie, cartoon character sorts. So I was trying to get a little bit bold here, because this is plain white, so I just started coloring it in with the blue dry erase marker. And normally when I do my drawing and dry erase markers, I take a good photograph of it, I trim it down, and I make like edits, and then I load it up to my drawing app, and then from there I do the fixes. Like, I fix the line work, I add color and everything in, and I usually like putting like the rough draft, if you may, of what I drew quickly on the dry erase board, and then the finish updated finished artwork. Yeah, I wanted to get a little bold and do, and just didn't want to look too boring. I colored in a dry erase marker, a blue one. But as you can tell, I was struggling, especially like that particular part on the shirt, of the coat. It kept on. I mean, if you're familiar with dry erase markers, you notice that the more you erase, especially use your finger, the more it'll leave. It's hard to go back and start drawing or start coloring. So and I couldn't get rid of it. It's like I just keep going back, keep going back, keep going back, and like it was annoying. But yeah, everything was real time. I could have edited that out, but I decided not to because I figured, hey, we're all human, and when there's a mistake that needs to be corrected, you either go with it, make it work for you, or no, you just give up. And I'm always a person from believer. I'm never giving up when it comes to doing things in life. Um, you're going to try until you get it, and if you don't, then there is no shame in trying. The only way a person to be feel shame in themselves if they don't try at all, or just get up, give up easily without giving it all they got. Uh, and I like to apply that not only to art, but also to life. So take that as a word of advice also. All right, so right here is basically just working on a little bit and refining it. Now keep in mind this is a rough sketch. It is a dry erase marker. So the that line work is not going to be perfect, but I will fix it when I put it into my drawing app and make it look better. Yeah, well, right now let's make a little bit adjustment on the mouth, upper lip. I want to make it look a little bit more refined. Back to the dry erase marker, the blue one. I'm gonna see if I can find a hack where this can be avoided, where it's at least a residue where I can go back in and make a correction. I started doing the same thing with my black dry erase marker, but luckily I have backups, so I got one of my little ones to back up in, and it actually worked for me a little better because I think the lip looks a lot better now than what it looked before. All right, so I'm gonna let this video play out. Hope you enjoyed this session. So I apologize for not bringing any new content for a while. I've been busy with life and work actually, but let me know if you like this content. If you like more content like this, be sure to give me a like. Forget to subscribe, and please do ring that bell for notification. I'll let you know when my next video will be coming out. Hopefully it'll be soon enough. Well, actually, before I let you go, I'm still working on my sculptures. I will keep an update on that, on the sculpture I'm working on. I might do like a quick little run through of the sculptures I worked on before. They're not much, but I can give you like a quick rundown of the type of clay I use and how I went about to make the sculptures. And when I do get better equipment, I will start recording myself sculpting also in the near, hopefully not too distant future. Right now it's pretty much done. Just adding a quick little background according to a reference, just to give it a bit of aesthetics. I'm gonna keep that when I do my final one, but I just wanted to try something extra there. All right, once again, I thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Yeah, have a great day or a great night, depending what time you're watching this video. Yeah, take care, and remember, an artwork is never done unless you say it's done. And with that said, this is Nicito from Nicito's Art. You have a great day or good night. Thank you. Goodbye.